Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy potato salad. First, select about 2 pounds of Yukon Gold or red potatoes. These varieties hold their shape well. Wash them thoroughly, then boil them in salted water until they are fork tender, which usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain the potatoes and let them cool completely before dicing them into 1-inch cubes. This ensures a perfect texture for your salad. Now, let's prepare our creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. This combination provides a wonderful tangy base. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion for a nice crunch and flavor. Finally, season the dressing with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything until well combined. With your potatoes cooled and diced, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add the diced potatoes to the bowl with your prepared dressing. Using a spatula, gently fold the potatoes into the dressing, making sure every piece is thoroughly coated. Avoid overmixing to prevent the potatoes from breaking down too much. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the potato salad for at least 1 hour. Chilling allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving your easy potato salad, give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if necessary. You might want a little more salt or pepper. For a fresh touch, garnish with some freshly chopped parsley or chives. This adds a lovely color and aroma. Serve your chilled potato salad as a delightful side dish for barbecues, picnics, or any family meal. It's a simple, classic recipe everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.